Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to shape and retouch eyebrows in Photoshop. The first step is to make a copy of your original layer. Then select the clone stamp tool and set the opacity to around 25%. Start removing the extra hair around the eyebrows. For me, 25% felt a little too low, so I increased it to 31%. One important thing when using the clone stamp is that you shouldn't always sample from just one spot. Try to take samples from different areas, especially from places close to the section you are working on, so the result looks more natural. When working on the eyebrows arc, make sure not to overuse the stamp. Keep it light so the brows looks natural. Here you can see the before and after. In the second video, we'll do the same steps again. First, make another copy of the original layer. You can do this by dragging the image onto the plus icon at the bottom of the layers panel, or simply by pressing Ctrl+J. Always remember to do your edits on the copied layer, not the original one. This way, if you make a mistake, you can easily go back. To use the clone stamp, hold down the Alt key, click on the area you want to sample from, then release Alt and click on the area you want to retouch. In the third video, first remove the extra and long hairs around the eyebrows using the stamp. Then take samples from the fuller parts of the eyebrows and stamp them onto the empty areas to fill them. Finally, if you feel like the edits look too strong, you can simply lower the opacity of the edited layer from the top of the layers panel, so the result looks softer and more natural.